I took a break for a little bit in the early mornings, but I couldn't resist.
You couldn't resist?
Beating this guy up with the bald head right here.
Is he someone famous?
No, but it's just fun because he really pushes himself.
I see he is.
Come on, John. Just a few more. You're holding Justin up. He's waiting on you. One more.
No one does this.
Come on, big boy.
Oh yeah.
Come on, dude. Piece of cake. John, you should pull those socks up a little higher.
Maybe you can pull the shorts down a little lower.
Yeah. Those are short shorts now? Is that... There's Michelle. Today, speed it up a little. Start it over, Renee.